To go live in a Facebook group using your computer and using your computer's video and audio or microphone, what you want to do is you want to navigate to the group that you want to go live in. And you're going to want to come down here to the section where it says write something, as if you were going to create a post. And then after you click on that, you click the three dots to the right of add to your post, and then click the option for live video. Once you go there, you're going to want to select the option to go live. And then after you've done that, you are going to scroll down on the page and you're going to select webcam, because you want to turn your webcam on so your video is there. Hi. And then you have to go ahead and put in your post details. So click where it says what's your live video about. And you're going to want to do a title, which is required, and also a description. Once you've done that, you can go ahead and click save, and then you are ready to go live by clicking the go live button, and it will count down 3, 2, 1, and then you will go live. So if I click it, I am now live. And I'm going to go ahead and cancel this out because I don't need to be going live anymore. But you should be able to click end live video once you're done with your live video. And then end. There you go. That's how you do it.